Hello guys and welcome back to Programming N. And today we will be making a fidget game in Scratch. This is a very simple game that we're going to be making. So the first thing you want to do is name your game Fidget Game. So then you want to make when green flag pressed, forever loop, go to mouse pointer. So now you can see it goes with us. But that isn't fun. That isn't fidgety. That isn't relaxing. So then, after that, you wanted to make a clone. So now it's like this. But I want it to disappear behind it so that it actually looks better and we don't reach the clone limit. So after you put when I started the clone, you can put how many ever seconds you want. I like 0.5 because I think it looks nice. So then every 0.5 seconds, I want it to delete. But whenever the space key is pressed, I want it to stop wherever the cats are and just keep them there. And then I can add more in a different way. So basically you can save how it is. Other than if you aren't pressing space, it's going to delete. So now it's like this, following us. But then when you press space or hold space, it stays like that. And you never reach the clone limit. So now that we understand that, if you would like to, you can make something called a clone variable to check how many clones there are on the screen. So I want it to be right here in the middle. So now that we have our little clone thing, how are we going to make it do it? So change clone by 1, and then right before it deletes it, -1. So we have 15 clones on the screen. I now have 45 clones on the screen. I have 49 whatsoever. That's the end of our video on how to make a fidget game in Scratch. And right before we end this video, I just noticed that only 51.4% of you are subscribed. 48% of you are not subscribed. Can we raise that subscribe percentage to at least 80%? Thanks, guys. See you later.